Okay, today we're going to be checking out the Yfood drink range. They have a brand new designed 500 ml bottle, but it still delivers all the macronutrients and minerals that your body needs from a 500 calorie meal. So, without further ado, let's get on with the testing. I've been a big fan of the Yfood Ready to Drink range. Not only do they do a taster pack, which makes it easy for you to sort of test out complete nutritional meals without having to spend a fortune, but in addition, they always come up with great innovative flavors. And I've previously tested some of their limited edition range, including the funky peanut and the incredibly tasting mango lassi flavor. But today I'm going to be checking out their standard flavors. In terms of those limited edition flavors I've tested of the drinks themselves are tasty, filling, and of course deliver those nutritional requirements we've come to expect from a meal replacement product. These are ideal for those people with a busy lifestyle who forget lunch, or if you're running late and you've forgotten breakfast and you need to sort of grab and go breakfast on the go, knowing that you're not missing out on any of your nutritional or mineral requirements, and it's sort of a healthy way to go. They always bring out great innovative flavors, and so it's easier than ever to grab a meal on the run knowing you're going to get all those nutritional and macronutrients that your body requires. So with the release of this brand new bottle design, I thought it was a great opportunity to taste some of their standard flavors, as I've not actually reviewed those before. These are the flavors that they sell all year round, and the ones you sort of get in the taster packs and stuff like that. They're not the limited edition flavors. So these are the bog standard flavors that they do day in, day out. If you're new to complete nutritional products like these, basically what you're getting is a complete 500 calorie meal. And in that meal, it contains everything the body needs in terms of 26 vitamins and minerals, essential omega fatty acids, it's high in protein, you're getting essential fibre and all of that. Yfood claim that the ready-to-drink meal that they do is the result of intensive research work by renowned food technologists. So go to the website, check that all out. Combined with complex manufacturing processes, this results in a long shelf life without the use of any preservatives. So this has a 9-month shelf life, doesn't need to be refrigerated. With each 500 calorie serving, so this size of drink, the Yfood drink covers a quarter of your daily energy requirements in terms of an average adult, which is 2,000 calories per day. And one serving of the 500 ml of Yfood provides you with around 34 grams of protein, which is 68% of your daily protein needs. As I said before, it's got its 26 vitamins and minerals, essential omega fatty acids, and of course all the important fibre. So these are great all-round meals, not just drinks, actual meals. They're easy to metabolize, they have a low glycemic index of just 32. This means that if you sort of drink a 500 ml bottle like this, the blood sugar level in metabolically healthy people only rises slightly and then steadily falls over time. Thus, hopefully, this prevents that afternoon slump and crash. I always get that if I have kind of too sweet drinks. Yfood have decided to use milk and milk protein because they say the milk is high quality source of a range of healthy nutrients. Milk naturally contains many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12 and calcium, and the fat content in milk influences how it tastes and also facilitates the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. In terms of the fibre is from oats. Fibre, of course, is an important part of a healthy diet, and one serving of Yfood in this size provides you with 7.5 grams of dietary fibre, which Yfood source from gluten-free oats. It's all plant-based, hardly any calories, and contains neither fat nor sugar. Gluten-free oat fibre is an integral part of all their drinks, the whole Yfood range of drinks. Yfood drinks naturally contain the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, and the water-soluble vitamins like riboflavin and B12, as well as chloride, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. During their production process, the drinks are also enriched with additional vitamins and minerals, so that with this 500 ml serving that you're going to kind of drink, you're getting around 25% of your daily micronutrient needs of an average adult. In terms of the standard flavors they do the classic Choco, which I think used to be known as Alpine chocolate. They do a smooth vanilla, a fresh berry, a cold brew coffee, which contains caffeine, happy banana, and crazy coconut. I'll be looking at all of these flavors except for the fresh berry because I don't have that one, giving them a taste and letting you know what I think. Okay, first off, we're going to be tasting the smooth vanilla, because most of the complete nutritional meal products and the ready to drink products, etc., from other companies all contain a vanilla flavor of some sort. So we're going to start with smooth vanilla. Give it a quick shake. Now, of the limited edition drinks I've tried, I always find I prefer the taste when they've been chilled a bit. But of course, you don't have to keep them in the fridge. But I keep them in the fridge ready to grab and go when I need them. Yeah, straight away we're getting that vanilla smell. Not much of that oaty smell. So other ready to drink products or other meal replacement products, you get that kind of vanilla and oaty combination. I'm getting more sort of a straight kind of vanilla-y flavor with a kind of hint of the sort of the milk. Sort of a slightly more creamy vanilla flavor, if that makes sense. Oh yes, that's nice. It feels less oaty than other meal products that I've had. I think it's the use of the milk as a sort of fat and fiber source sort of combination. I think in terms of a drink, that makes a drink much more tasty personally and smooth. It's very smooth. It has the texture of, say, a full fat milk with a nice vanilla taste. It isn't too strong, it's not too sweet. Yeah, this is great. These are great. I do love the Yfood flavors. They really work hard on getting those flavors right. And when it comes to ready to drink meals, you know, it's 500 mils of this, so it better taste nice because there's a lot of it to drink. But the vanilla, as a start off, very impressed. Okay, today we're going crazy coconut. Crazy coconut. Looking forward to this one. Not tried it before. I must admit the vanilla yesterday was really nice. There is a slight change from the old version. They're using slightly less sweetener, so that's a good thing as well. Oh yes, nice strong coconut smell there. It's sweet. They're sweet. These things are sweet, but not overly sweet, and there's no aftertaste, which is what I really like about this. Is what makes it so kind of quaffable, as it were. Can you quaff a ready to drink replacement meal? Don't know. Silky smooth, sweet, kind of a hint, not an overpowering kind of smell and taste of coconut. Sort of sweet coconut taste. Smooth, no bits. You don't get a sense of the oats or anything like that, smell wise. Texture, as I say, sort of a thick, not a thick, a full fat milk. That's really nice. Often sold out. I'm not surprised. It's got a real nice taste to it. So there you go. Crazy coconut. Cheers. Okay, today we're looking at classic Choco. I think previously it was known as Alpine chocolate. It's the same flavor. They've just changed the name as well as the shape of the bottle to classic Choco. Classic Choco. Give it a shake. I'm not always a massive drink of cold chocolate drinks, but some of these sort of drinks I do like. Oh, nice. As I say, I keep harking back. The fact that they're ready to drink range is has a sort of milk base to it. It makes them much more drinkable, I think. A nice chocolatey smell. You're getting a nice, yeah, so you can almost get a milk chocolate smell off there. Yeah. That's like a chocolate drink, like a chocolate milk drink. Oh, that's nice. If you like chocolate milk drinks, those sort of things, as I said, because of the milk base to this, it makes for a great drink. And of course, you're getting all your vitamins and minerals, etc., etc. You know all that you get in a complete drink like this. So really nice, really tasty, especially if you like chocolate drinks. Okay, straight onto the banana today. So we're having a look at the banana, happy banana flavor. Happy banana flavor. Quick shake. Yeah, getting that banana milkshake kind of flavored smell to it. Very nice. Quite a strong banana flavor there. So if you're not a fan of banana, not sure you're going to like this one. It's quite a sweet banana, but very nice. Again, banana milkshake. That's what it tastes like to me. It's not overpowering. There is a bit of sweetness to it, but that you get from bananas anyway, and then the added kind of sweetener element to it makes it quite a sweet banana. But not much to complain about on that one, really, at all. Again, it does what it says on the label. It's a happy banana. It certainly has a happy banana flavour to it and taste to it. Quite sweet, I think. If you're sort of if you're not a great fan of really sweet drinks, I think it's quite a sweet one with a strong banana kind of flavour to it. But there you go. Perfectly drinkable, really quite tasty, especially to sort of grab and go, as I say, for a lunch or a breakfast or something like that. Okay, so finally we've got the cold brew coffee. Yep, the cold brew coffee version, which could be a great one for the morning. Now, this has all the same ingredients as all the other drinks, obviously, but with the added benefit of caffeine. And in terms of caffeine, there are 20 milligrams per 100 ml. So basically 100 milligrams of caffeine in this. So as I say, this could be great for grab and go breakfast, that kind of thing. But just be aware of the caffeine content's quite high. Getting a nice sort of warm roasted coffee smell. Yeah, a roasted coffee smell from that. A sort of roasted coffee, a sort of hint of chocolate to that coffee. Sort of, I think we'd say if I was a coffee connoisseur, sort of chocolate overtones to the coffee, but a very nice sort of mild roasted coffee texture to it. Works well with the fitness of the main sort of semi-skimmed milk texture that comes with it. That is nice. That is probably the least bitter caffeine drink of this variety that I've had. This is a very, very nice drinkable coffee flavored ready to drink. Really nice. One quick thing on the bottles I noticed here. So not only have Yfood redesigned their bottles, I've noticed they've just redesigned their whole website. So make sure you check that out with all the details, all the new flavors and stuff like that. Plus these bottles are climate neutral packaging. So it's climate neutral packaging, 100% recyclable bottle. I'm really liking that one. That's a really nice one. As I say, a real sort of chocolate overtone to that caffeine there. It's not a bitter caffeine taste. So that's perfect for the mornings, as I say, as a breakfast, maybe as a grab and go breakfast. Give you that kind of extra oomph in the morning. There you go. There's all the flavors tested. Price wise, they come in packs of 6, and 6 bottles will cost you about £20.94, so about £3.50 per drink. Bit expensive, but still cheaper than a lunchtime sandwich or a meal bought from a shop, and potentially more healthy as an option because of the micronutrients and minerals, etc. Every so often they add a limited edition flavour, so make sure you check those out, especially the mango lassi if it is available. Overall, I really like the convenience of the Yfood drinks. They're not something I have every day, but they're great to have on hand when I'm super busy, rushing out the door, need to grab a breakfast. Or if I go on a long journey, I grab these, put them in the car. Safe as well that I know that they don't need to be refrigerated and stuff like that. And I've always got them on hand, for a lunch if I get caught out or something like that. Or as I say, I'm running late and I need some breakfast. And it's also great for work when we go to the office, which some of us are going to have to go back to the office on a few days, like myself. And I throw one of these in the bag, and I know that that's my lunch sorted, and it's healthier than me just buying a sandwich or a meal deal from the local corner shop or sort of high street store. So there you go. I do like Yfood drinks in terms of their taste. They deliver all the minerals and macronutrients your body needs. Hey, what's not to like? I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, do me a favor of hitting those likes, because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content like this. And if you are new to this channel, arigato gozaimasu, do me the massive favor of hitting that subscribe button, toggling that notification bell, so you know when I go live with content like this. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you around very soon. Thank you.